Welcome to this introduction to blockchain technology. Blockchain has become one of the most talked about innovations in recent years, and for good reason. It's the foundational technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its potential extends far beyond digital money. In this video, we'll explore what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's considered revolutionary. Let's dive in. At its core, blockchain is a distributed digital ledger. Think of a ledger as a record book where transactions are written down. But unlike traditional ledgers that are kept in one place, a blockchain ledger is distributed across multiple computers around the world. This means no single person or organization controls it. What makes blockchain special is that once information is recorded, it becomes immutable, meaning it cannot be changed or deleted. Additionally, all transactions are transparent and can be viewed by anyone on the network. Let's break down the word blockchain into its two components. First, we have block. A block is essentially a container that holds data. In the context of blockchain, each block stores information about transactions, such as who sent what to whom and when. Second, we have chain. Once a block is filled with transaction data and verified, it gets linked to the previous block in chronological order. This creates a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each new block references the one before it, forming an unbreakable sequence. Blockchain has four key characteristics that make it unique. First, it's decentralized. This means there's no central authority like a bank or government controlling the network. Instead, control is distributed among all participants. Second, it's transparent. Everyone on the network can view the complete transaction history, ensuring accountability. Third, it's immutable. Once data is recorded in a block and added to the chain, it cannot be altered or tampered with. And fourth, it's secure. Advanced cryptography protects the data, making it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise the system. So how does blockchain actually work? The process happens in four main steps. Step 1. A transaction is initiated and broadcast to all computers, called nodes, in the network. Step 2. Network nodes validate the transaction using consensus mechanisms. This means the majority of nodes must agree that the transaction is legitimate before it can proceed. Step 3. Once validated, the transaction is combined with other verified transactions to form a new block. Step 4. The new block is then added to the chain and distributed across the entire network. This process ensures that every participant has an identical and up-to-date copy of the ledger. To better understand blockchain, let's compare it to traditional ledgers. A traditional ledger is centralized, meaning it's controlled by a single authority like a bank or company. This creates a single point of failure. If that central database is hacked or goes down, the entire system is compromised. In contrast, a distributed ledger like blockchain stores copies of the data across multiple nodes. There's no central authority, which means no single point of failure. This distributed nature makes blockchain more resilient, secure, and resistant to manipulation or censorship. Blockchain technology has numerous real-world applications beyond cryptocurrency. In the financial sector, it powers digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, enabling fast and secure peer-to-peer transactions. In healthcare, blockchain can securely store patient records and enable safe data sharing between providers while maintaining privacy. In supply chain management, companies use blockchain to track products from their origin all the way to the consumer, ensuring authenticity and preventing fraud. And through smart contracts, blockchain enables self-executing agreements that automatically enforce terms without needing intermediaries like lawyers or banks. The revolutionary potential of blockchain lies in its ability to enable trustless transactions. This means two parties can conduct business without needing to trust each other or rely on a third-party intermediary. Blockchain eliminates the need for middlemen, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. It also creates new possibilities for digital ownership and decentralized systems. From reshaping how we handle money and financial services to transforming governance and data management, blockchain is a foundational technology with the power to change how society operates. As we continue to explore and develop blockchain applications, we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.